Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make you to understand the definitions of form factor as well as the crust factor. So basically what is meant by form factor? Okay, let's try to define the meaning of an form factor. So form factor is defined as the ratio of RMS of the quantity divided by average of the quantity. It may be an current or it may be an voltage. The RMS divided by average of AC or current or voltage, it is called RMS. Okay, now, how to define? Let us try to take an sinusoidal supply. This is theta is equal to omega t. Let us try to take me the current I of t. So, I of t is equal to, this is an sinusoidal waveform. Okay. So, this is in negative cycle. So, this maximum I am going to call it as I maximum. Okay. So, now here you can see here. So, IRMS is nothing but Im by root 2. Okay, so this is nothing but 2 Im by 5. So this I can write down it as 0.707 Im. So in this waveform, if you draw it at 70, I mean this is called 0.707 Im, then this magnitude of current is called as IRMS divided by 2 Vm is 0.637 Im. I mean 63 percentage. So this is nothing but the 63 percentage where we are going to get I average value. Okay. So like this you have been marked the maximum value, RMS value as well as the average. So when you divide IRMS by I average, then you are going to get the form factor, and this form factor can be written as F is nothing but form and K is nothing but factor. So current will get cancelled out, and this is 1.1 where there are no units. So since it is a factor, the units of form factor is 1, no units, and the value is 1.11. This is how to define the form factor. RMS value to the average value is called as form factor. The next we have to understand, which is nothing but crust factor, or it is called as peak factor. So here we'll discuss about the peak value or the crust value. Therefore, these factors are called crust factors or peak factor. So crust factor means it is defined as the ratio of the peak value or the crust value, which is nothing but I maximum divided by the RMS, I RMS. So here you can see here the maximum value divided by RMS will give the crust factor. Okay, this crust factor or the peak factor is written as Kp. So P is called peak and K is called as factor. Here also F is called form and K is called as factor. So this Kp is nothing but maximum by RMS. So this maximum I can write down it as Im, where RMS I can write down it as 0.707 Im. So both are currents. Currents will get cancelled out, and here we are going to get is nothing but the crust factor is 1.414, and this is the, and units of this crust factor is also no units. There are no units. Okay, so the form factor for an sinusoidal waveform is 1.1 and the crust factor is 1.414. Okay, so this is how we have to understand the definition of form factor as well as the crust factor. I repeat again, form factor is the ratio of IRMS by I average. The crust factor is defined as the ratio of I maximum to the RMS. So the maximum value you divide with RMS, you are going to get the crust factor or the peak factor. This RMS value you divided by average value, then you are going to get the form factor. This is all about to understand the form factor as well as the crust factor of a sinusoidal waveform. If you feel my explanation is good, please like the video and share the video with your friends. And if you have any doubts, we'll solve multiple problems. If you have any doubts, you can ask your doubts in the comment section. Still, you are watching my channel without subscribing. Kindly subscribe to my channel, where for your benefit and for the benefit of public. Thank you for your time. We'll meet in another beautiful video. Yours, Ram.